second contingent, we have Assam Police led by Platoon Commander ABSI Ajit Chatra Bora. In the third contingent, we have Assam Home Guards led by Platoon Commander Havildar Samarendra Sinha. Marching towards the ground, beginning with the NCC cadets, Pini Govt Boys Higher Secondary NCC Cadet led by Commander Senior Under Officer Mrinal Sharma, saluting Commander Serdin Kropi and Himani Das. Sixth contingent, we have St. Mary's High School NCC Cadet led by Senior Under Officer Holison Teron and saluting Commander Morrison Lekting and Clarbinong Ronkar. Senior Under Officer Pritom Boro and saluting Commander Suresh Kiling and Jinong Teron. In the 8th contingent, we have the Bosco Higher Secondary School NCC Cadet led by Senior Under Officer Mohit Saha and saluting Commander Pranab Chetri and Nokchong Timur. PM Sri Kendriya Vidyalaya School led by Senior Under Officer Kunal Thapa, saluting Commander Ancho Timur and K. Vonlal Dika. Sarklim Timur. 11th contingent, we have Mini English High School led by Platoon Commander Arpan Das and Flag Bearer Sarkiri Rompi. The 12th contingent, we have Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya led by Platoon Commander Ankur Jyoti Mudoy and Flag Bearer Shusmita Hazarika. In the 13th contingent, we have Chandra Singh Teron High School led by Platoon Commander Ruxana Begum and Flag Bearer. In the 14th contingent, we have Presbyterian Mission High School led by Platoon Commander Kaidin Timur and Flag Bearer Jacqueline Hansepi. In the 15th contingent, we have Good Shepherd English High School led by Platoon Commander Rajiv England and Flag Bearer Birti Inglengpi. In the 16th contingent, we have St. Dominic Savio CBSE School led by Platoon Commander Acho Rompar and Flag Bearer Arnab Tissot. In the 17th contingent, we have Badan Memorial English High School led by Platoon Commander Sarkim Terang and Flag Bearer Angil Kiling. In the 18th contingent, we have Modern English High School led by Platoon Commander Clara Rampi and Flag Bearer Amthik Ronghi. In the 19th contingent, we have Union Christian English School led by Platoon Commander Sar Ing Terong and Flag Bearer Pradeep Bhangra. In the 20th contingent, we have Menhanse Memorial English Higher Secondary School led by Platoon Commander Longpamon Terang and Flag Bearer. In the 21 contingent, we have Sunrise Academy English High School led by Platoon Commander Gunjan Hasnu and Flag Bearer Pushpa Thapa. In the 22 contingent, we have Rentongham Higher Secondary School led by Platoon Commander Aman Tokbi and Flag Bearer Brahma Bay. And here it is, the beautiful band display by the 23rd AP Band led by Band Havildar Dilip Tissot. Coming forward, presentation of the tribute by the PhD Department on Community Merit Center. Followed by Health and Family Welfare Department displaying on Ayushman Bharat Health Card. Marching along with slogan, "A world without wildlife is a world without beauty. Protect the forest, they are the umbrellas of our planet. Let us hold our hands on the importance of